How to fix the iCloud sign-in loop. The following solutions are arranged from the simplest to the most advanced. We recommend trying them one by one. Fix 1. Enter your password again as requested. Step 1. Go to the Settings menu on your iOS device and tap on iCloud. Step 2. Re-enter your email address and password to prevent the issue from happening again. Fix 2. Sign out and sign back into iCloud. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and go to Settings, iCloud. Step 2. On the iCloud page, scroll down to tap the Sign Out option, then tap Sign Out again to confirm. Step 3. On a pop-up window asking for Apple ID password, please enter your Apple ID passcode and tap Turn Off to log out of your iCloud account. Step 4. Then you might tap iCloud to enter your Apple ID and password to log into your iCloud account again. Then the repeated iCloud sign-in request is supposed to be fixed. Fix 3. Reset network settings. Step 1. Unlock your device and go to Settings, General Reset network settings. Step 2. On the pop-up window, tap the Reset option to confirm your action and start to reset network settings on iPhone or iPad. Step 3. After that, you might connect to an available Wi-Fi network with good conditions and log into iCloud with your Apple ID and password again. Note: please be assured that this only erases the network settings on your phone, but it will not delete any files from your device. Fix 4. Update iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Step 2. If the Install Now option appears, tap it to update your device. Fix 5. Check Apple's system status. When Apple's iCloud servers experience issues, you may continue receiving login requests even if your device is fine. Visit Apple's official system status page to check if iCloud and Apple ID services are marked as available. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait for Apple to fix the issue before trying to log in again. Fix 6. Check iCloud Keychain Settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud. Step 2. Tap Keychain and turn off iCloud Keychain. Step 3. Restart your device and turn iCloud Keychain back on. Fix 7. Restart iPhone or iPad. If iCloud sign-in keeps prompting, restarting your device can resolve temporary errors. iPhone X and later, press and hold the side button plus volume button, then slide to power off. Wait, then turn it back on. iPhone 8 and earlier, press and hold the top or side button, slide to power off. Wait, then turn it back on. iPad, for Face ID models, press and hold the top plus volume button, slide to power off, then turn back on. Fix 8. Using iOS system recovery. If the iCloud sign-in issue continues despite trying all methods, it might be due to deeper system errors. Using a professional tool like iOS system recovery can help fix these issues without data loss, stopping the repeated login prompts. Step 1. Launch the program and connect your iPhone via USB. On the main interface, click on More Tools and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Click Start, and the program will automatically detect potential issues like the red screen of death, unresponsive screen, iTunes Error 21, iPhone Error 2009, and more. Step 3. Confirm your iPhone's model. If everything looks correct, click Repair. If not, select the correct model and then click Repair to begin fixing the issue.